Oh, watch out, watch out! Oh, God!
Let's stay hard. Let's stay hard. A couple vehicles.
The first winter storm of 2025 has left a trail of devastation across the Great Plains, claiming at least 4 lives and wreaking havoc on roadways and power lines. This powerful blizzard began as a low-pressure system, innocently moving east, but rapidly evolved into a ferocious snowmaker as it swept through the Rocky Mountains. By Saturday, the storm reached as far south as Dallas, plunging much of the region into freezing conditions. By Sunday, Kansas and Missouri were blanketed in record snowfall, with some areas witnessing the highest accumulations in over a decade.
Ey, se te van a... Me pongo a tocar.
Kansas City, Missouri measured over 14 inches of snow, surpassing previous records from 1993. In Sugar Creek, Missouri, readings hit an astounding 14.5 inches, according to the National Weather Service.
Buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, familia. ¿Qué tal, qué tal, qué tal? ¿Cómo amanecieron el día de hoy? Buenos días a todos. A ver quiénes se van a conectar con nosotros hoy, en esta madrugada, hoy en este día.
Authorities urged residents to stay off the roads as icy conditions and low visibility made travel nearly impossible. Major highways were shut down, and power outages spread across the plains and Midwest.
Oh, you can smell the gas. 9. Damn.
That truck is still going. That red one is still on.
By evening, nearly 230,000 homes and businesses were without power, with Virginia alone reporting over 57,000 outages.
And that's only from when I started counting.
That's only what's left.
welcome aboard Flight 506. Service down to Fort Lauderdale. We'll be underway shortly. Push back. When we push back today, we're going to have to de-ice, obviously, with the snow, so it should take a little...
Tragically, the storm claimed the life of Everett Carter, 61, a public works employee in Missouri who died while clearing snow. In Wichita, Kansas, a weather-related crash killed 2 young adults, Nathaniel Boyd, 24, and Whitney Almond, 26, when their vehicle lost control and overturned. The storm didn't stop there. Airports across the region were paralyzed. Kansas City International temporarily closed, stranding the Kansas City Chiefs on the tarmac en route to Denver. Meanwhile, Reagan National Airport in Virginia halted operations for snow removal. Over 60 flights were canceled, with dozens more delayed, causing chaos for travelers. As the blizzard pushed east, Washington, D.C. and the mid-Atlantic states braced for impact. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.